Today I am here trying out my new camera, DJI Osmo Pocket 4P.
Oh my God! Wow!
First, let us unbox this camera. There's a lot of accessories included.
Nice.
Ordered the Creator Combo, comes with a lot of accessories. Are you interested in this camera? I will leave the links in the description box below. You get charged nothing, but I get small commissions. That is the only way to support my channel. Also subscribe to my channel. It costs nothing to you. If you're out there and you want to buy a camera, this is the camera for you. The reason why I bought this camera, because I do videography, so I shoot in the community. So I normally used to shoot with GoPro 12. So each time I want to zoom in, I have to like shove the camera in front of somebody. You know how annoying that is? So this camera here have solved that problem. This camera has two lenses, so now you don't have to switch back and forth like if you want to do a wide angle shot. This camera already have that, and also if you want to have the telephoto length, it has it. This is a very great camera for say if you want to do videography, because you don't need to buy that heavy camera that will be breaking your arm. This camera solves all that issue for me. This is perfect for my events, shooting events. And the good thing with this camera, the camera also tracks you, which makes it perfect for a solo creator. So if you're out there, you want to shoot videos on your own, this is a camera for you. So see how it's tracking that ferry. So I'll zoom it in, and then I will track it. See how it's doing that? This is perfect. Guys, I'm encouraging you, if you're out there and you are looking for perfect camera to buy, this is the camera for you.